Hey guys, my name's Jamin. Thanks for visiting my channel. In this video, I have a quick tutorial on a Texas Instrument TI-30XA calculator, how to get inside and swap out those batteries. So first thing you want to do, guys, make sure that it's off, flip it over. We're going to take out these 6 screws here. Once these 6 screws are taken out, you can pry this bottom case off of the calculator with a pry tool or a small flathead screwdriver. Once you do, this is what you're looking at for the inside of your calculator. These wires to the battery are soldered on, but the batteries themselves can come out. What you want to do is put your pry tool inside this slot to the right of each battery, and then you can push the battery slightly to the left, and that battery will release. One thing of note, guys, these batteries sometimes are still good even though your calculator died. Sometimes they come loose. So just like in a AAA battery device, try to roll them around in there. Try to really push them down in there, spin them if you can, reset that connection. If not, and you need to replace the batteries, then they do come out. And you're looking at a GP-A76 alkaline battery. That's the kind of battery that this calculator usually takes. So I hope that helped you out. Check out the FAQs if not. If you need to leave me a question or comment, please do. I do try to get to those as often as I can. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.